Hi everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today I'm going to show you how we can calculate minimum, maximum, range, variance for sample, variance for population, standard deviation for sample, standard deviation for population using Microsoft Excel. I have this data. If you found it helpful, don't forget to like it, leave a comment and subscribe. Let's get started. First, from here, it's minimum. I write down minimum. Just insert equal sign, minimum. Just mean, then select your data. Just enter. Minimum is 2. Let's center the data to the center. Okay. Also, you can add boundaries to each cell. Good. Let's find maximum because we need minimum and maximum for range. So maximum equal to max. Select the range. Just enter. Maximum number is 78. To find range easily, equal maximum minus minimum. Range is 76. Now we want to find variance for sample because variance for sample is different from variance for population. First, we find variance for sample. Equal sign, variance. Yes, var sub p is variance for population. Var sub s is variance for sample. So I want variance for sample. Select the range. Close it. Enter. Variance for sample is 489.1025 and so on. Let's find variance for population. Equal sign, variance, var for population, this one. Select the range. Just enter. Variance for sample, for population is 470.987. Good. Equal sign, standard deviation for sample. Just standard. Yes, here we have standard deviation for population. This one for sample. So I selected standard deviation for sample. Select the range. 22.1156 and so on. Standard deviation for population. Again, equal sign, STD. This one for population. Select this one. Insert. 21.7022. That's the way to use Microsoft Excel to find minimum, maximum, range, variance, and standard deviation. That's all. Have a nice time.